Hello students, good morning. I am Parag Kanti Pradhan, assistant teacher of mathematics in Techno India Group Public School. And today I am decided to discuss something new for class 7 and which is algebra. And everyone know about algebra in class 6. What is algebra? Algebra, all zebra. When all zebra in together, algebra. No, this is not all zebra. This is algebra. Algebra basically depends on variable x, y, z. Or you can take in Bengali alphabet ko, kho, go, gho, mo, cho, cho. In any kind of @ pi, psi, these are all variables. But why we are using English alphabet? Because English alphabet is used in world. The world language is English. So basically in this reason we are using the English alphabet as a variable. Now we can write the chapter name is algebraic expression, and this class for class 7. And what is this? This is x. This is a variable. What is this? This is a variable y. But capital X, basically in generally we are not using capital letter as a variable. Suppose whenever this is a triangle, and in that time we are written as ABC is the triangle, not ABC, small letter, the triangle. Small letter basically used as variable. So what is variable? Those value when we don't know the exact value of something, in that time we can take or assuming one things in an alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c, dot dot dot, so on. These are variables. What is constant? How many chalks in my hand? 1. And we all know how many chalks are there. 1 chalk, that is 1, that is fixed. How many dust are there? 1. How many cube are there? How many coins in my hand? 1. Now, how many chalks in my hand? 2. This is a constant. So 2, 3, 5, 9 and any numerical value is the constant. Now, what is coefficient? What is coefficient? Coefficient, suppose we are written only x. With x, 1 is multiplied. 1 into x. So this one is coefficient of x because this one is multiplied with x. Now, if we write 3x, this 3x means 3 into x. So 3 is the coefficient. Now we are adding as 2y. So here 2 terms. This is one term and this is another term. 2 terms where we are adding or subtracting. This is 2 terms. And how many variables are used in this case? 2 variables. For y, coefficient is 2. For x, the coefficient is 3. Now we can say this term is a binomial. Mono, bi or di, then tri, then tetra, then penta, hexa, hepta, hepta, then octa, nona, deca. So this is by 2 terms are there. So binomial, and this is x, only x. This is monomial. So this is monomial and this is binomial. Okay. Now student listen. Now we are discussing on the next part. What is degree? What is degree or power? What is degree? Degree or power. Suppose we are written x to the power 5. X to the power 5. This is power. What is the meaning of x to the power 5? That means 5x is multiplied x into x into x into x into x. So 5x is multiplied in together. Then the power is x to the power 5. So this is x to the power 5. The maximum power is 5, so this is degree and this is 5. If we adding with y to the power 6, then the degree will be changed. What will be the degree, students? What will be the degree? Some students says, sir, 5. Some students say, sir, 6. Some students say, sir, 5 plus 6, 11. Those students says 6. They are right. Because in a polynomial, this is a polynomial. 2 terms polynomial. And here, how many parts are there here? Now, the degree is here variable and then terms. Now, x to the power 5 plus y to the power 6. Maximum power of this polynomial is a degree. So in this polynomial, maximum power is 6. Degree 6. How many variables are there? 2 variables are there. 1, 2. So 2 variable. How many terms are there? This plus this. 2. So we know now from this degree is 6 variable and about terms. Now my question is, students, please tell me, what is this? How many terms are there? X plus 3x. How many terms are there? Most of the students says, sir, 2 terms, x 1 and 3x another. No. After adding, this will be 4x. So whenever 4x, so some students says that, sir, 4 and x, this is 4 and x, 2 part, so 2 terms. No, whenever multiplied, this is a 1 term. So this is 4x, 1 term, this is monomial. If we write here, this is y, in that time this will be binomial because 2 variables are there. Okay, now we are deciding, or we are written, suppose given that degree is 5 and terms is equal to 2, and you have to write one polynomial, degree is 5, so you can write x to the power 5 plus 2. 2 is the constant term and x is the variable and the power is 2. So degree 5 degree and 2 terms. And if we write with this, and you can write like that, x y to the power 9 y to the power 5 plus x. This is 2 terms, also satisfied. Degree 5 also satisfied. But here we can say this is the 2 variable terms. Now, this equation can be written as another form. X into y. What will be the degree, students? X into y. The variable of this x power 1 and the variable y power 1. Power will be added when the variables are in multiplied form. So x and y are there. So the power 1. So the power will be adding whenever you say the total degree. So in this case, xy is 2 degree. So if we write x, y, z, a, b plus 1. Look, 5 variables are multiplied in together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So degree 5 and 2 terms. Clear? Now students, now I'm going to discuss on next part, that is 7 degree 5 terms and 4 variable. And you have to write a polynomial. You have to write a polynomial whose degree is 7, term is 5. That is 5 terms. It may be by plus sign or maybe by minus sign. And then 4 variables. Now, 4 variables you can take ABCD, X, Y, Z, M. P, Q, R, S. Now we are written P to the power 7. So first condition is satisfied. Four variables. So plus, minus, plus. So 1 position, 2 position, 3 position, 4 position. 1, 2, 3, 4 position. But here written is 5 terms. So 1 position. Here second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position. So you have to write something. So first 7 degrees satisfied, 5 terms satisfied, but 4 variable not satisfied. Just write P, here Q, here R, here S, here 1. So P, Q, R, S, 4 variable satisfied. 5 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms satisfied. Degree 7 satisfied. Now, for you students, please copy this homework. I'm giving you something new. Just this is a degree and this is variable and this is degree variable and this is terms. Those who are seeing this video, please do this problem in home right now. If degree is 12, variable is 7, term is 7, then please write the polynomial. If this is 21, this is variable is 5 and term is 9, and another one 7, variable is 10 and term also 5. At first everyone do this in home single. This is number 1 problem, number 2 problem, number 3 problem, and after completing again write the another polynomial by this, because you can write more and more infinite number of polynomials by solving this, by following this. Okay, so this is the homework and I think everyone enjoyed the class, and this is the algebraic expression for class 7. In class 7 these portions are there, and after this we are going to discuss on multiplication, x into x, x plus y into another algebraic expression. So at first you have to know about this, and everyone do it positively in your home. Okay, bye bye, thank you.